8 of the best Chat GPT prompts I've been able to collect on the internet. These are Chat GPT prompts that have helped me actually rank blogs on Google and to make my articles even better than they were before. Now, you're going to want to stick around to the very end because the ninth prompt that I actually show you today is honestly the best one out of all of them. So, of course, I saved it for last. The very first Chat GPT prompt that you want to use is this one right here. And I'm just going to press enter and let it go. I'm using ChatGPT 3.5 because it's so much faster than ChatGPT 4, but I want you guys to probably be using ChatGPT 4 rather than ChatGPT 3.5. So this says this is about being a prompt creator. Now, we all know that the best prompts are the ones that are kind of refined over time. So what you're going to tell ChatGPT is to actually become a prompt creator to help you create the perfect prompt. So ChatGPT is actually going to help you create the perfect prompt. So it just says, I want you to become a prompt creator. Your goal is to help me craft the best possible prompt for my needs. The prompt will be used by you, ChatGPT. So basically, you're telling it to go through this iterative process to help you create a better prompt. So what you're going to do is you're just going to write in, basically, it's going to ask you a question. It says, what topic or subject would you like the prompt to be about? And you could write it about anything. You could write business ideas. And then it's going to go through this iterative step to help you actually build out better prompts. See, isn't this amazing? Look, it's going to ask you specific questions. It's going to give you suggestions based on what you want to do, and it's going to help you create the perfect prompt. So that's the first one. The second one is, I actually have this document. So if I get enough comments in the comments below, I will actually share this document with you below. The second one is, and this is a really amazing prompt. The second one, it's actually to help you create it helps you create a content hub. Now I copied to both of these into here. I should have copied them both, but here's the thing: the ChatGPT keyword prompt. And so what you're going to do is I want to create a content hub. Content hubs are one of the most important things you can create for your blog to actually help your ranking because Google sees you as an authority on a topic. So it says, please create a content table for 3 columns. And the content hubs to write about keywords in the subject. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you create this content hub. You're going to want to put the keyword here. Now, remember, if you have Ahrefs or any other type of software, you can use this prompt, and you're actually going to use keywords below this, and then it's going to create a content hub based on this. This is an amazing tool. You got to check this out. The third one is write an article with markdown links and also write an article with hyperlinks to another blog post. So what you're going to do is once again, we're going to create a new chat. And so it's going to say, write an entire article with the article name. Let's just name it business new ideas in tech. And then we're going to say, please mention, so you can mention things. So please mention Chat GPT. And then what you're going to want to do is say, which is an AI software to help writers. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put as much information in this as possible, and you can mention other stuff. We're not going to mention that right now. And then you're going to say, okay, using internal links. So what you're going to do is you can even just use, let's just go to business. Let's go to business. Let's go to articles. Let's just go to Google News. Apologize for this. Let's just go to news about, I don't know, ChatGPT. And what's the latest article? So this is the news right here. So we're going to go down to news over here. Okay, perfect. This is Genie escaped Stanford copies the ChatGPT AI for less than $600. Interesting. I like the llamas. All right, so you're just going to go back to here, and you're just going to put the internal links here. So watch what it does. It's going to actually link the article in this article. And obviously it's not coming up because Alpaca, cheaper GPP. Interesting. This is going very well. So like I said, you need to be using this with ChatGPT 3, but it will actually hyperlink this right here inside the article. Obviously, it didn't do it here. So the next prompt that we're going to go over, and once again, if you want this, I just put it in the comments. Hopefully, if I get enough, I will share this. The next thing I'm going to do is next prompt, which is an amazing prompt, is to create internal links or basically create blog posts from other posts in your blog. So what you're going to do is, and actually I'm not going to do it here, but what you're going to do is you're going to put this in the in ChatGPT, and definitely use Chat GPT-4 for this. And then you're going to write and put your whole entire website links to your specific blog. So actually, I'm going to pause this real quick, and so I have I played again, but see, look, ChatGPT is giving us articles based on other articles that we have already written, and so these are going to help us come up with ideas for these other articles. This is amazing prompt. You have to be using this if you're writing with ChatGPT. Okay, so the next prompt, which is just another terrific prompt, is actually creating backlinks based on articles. So I'm going to stop this generation right here. I'm actually going to go right here, and I'm just going to write. So this prompt helps you. Oops, wrong one. So this is actually two different prompts, and I'm gonna copy both and put them here, and then I'm gonna explain what this is about. So basically, it's gonna make ChatGPT write internal links from a website to from one blog to another blog. So let's just say I have a T1 article, and you're gonna want to use the bottom one here. But let's say I have a T1 article, and I want to link out to it. So I just gonna say the SEO optimization guide for B2B traffic. I'm just going to paste the URL here, and then I'm going to write SEO. I'm just going to write guide for B2B website traffic. Then I'm going to actually delete these here. So watch what this does. This is just honestly one of the most incredible things. It's going to write out basically write out paragraphs that are going to link out to your other articles, but it's going to hyperlink them. So what you can do is you can just take this and post it in your blog as a section, and you can link out to other blogs on your website. So like if someone's reading a blog and you want to link out to another one that they might also like, you can do this. This is an amazing way to interlink and backlink your own articles. Okay, so the next one, number 6, write a sales page. This is something that everyone needs to make sure that they're doing. And if you don't know how to write a sales page, ChatGPT can help you out with that. So let's just say I write a sales page for ShopRite, like that, for let's just say target audience of moms. Let's just say this is single moms. And so what this is going to do is it's going to write a whole entire sales page. Oh, so this is not exactly what I wanted. Oh, shoot. Nope, not for the photography business, for their homes. And look at this. This is going to write an amazing way. Well, that's not exactly. Oh, okay. Redo once again. So cancel this. Let's see, stop generating. Okay, so once you paste this into your ChatGPT-4, it's going to actually write a whole entire sales page. So a target who are looking for a, let's just way to save money on their homes. Let's just see if this works. And so what it's going to do is it's going to write a wonderful sales page for you to be able to post on the internet. And now, obviously, this copy is not going to be perfect, but look at this. It's going to help you get started with writing the sales page. Okay, so the next prompt that you need to make sure that you're using is what I like to call the key takeaway section. So the key takeaway section, super duper easy here. You're just going to paste an article here, and sometimes you can't exactly paste the entire thing. But basically, it creates this amazing key takeaway section, just like I have here on my blogs. And it's just a terrific way for someone to get engaged with their blogs and help you have retention. So you're just going to write, let's just say, pretend this is my blog. Let's just say this is my article. Let's just submit. What's the key takeaways? It's going to write key takeaways, which is kind of insane to write for this short of a paragraph. But obviously, it can write key takeaways for any article. Such a powerful tool. You should make sure you're using. Next thing, it's kind of similar. It's a table creator. Table creators are such an amazing thing for you to be able to keep people on your pages for longer. And this is just an awesome tool that I found and an awesome prompt that you need to be using And let's just see if it creates a table based on this. I'm not sure if it's going to. Probably will. Look at this. Benefits for SEO, business description. And when you put tables on your blogs, it's going to keep people on the blog longer. So this is just an amazing one. And the last and the best that you're actually going to love this prompt. And this is actually the top prompt that I found for ChatGPT and one you need to be using. And this is the multi-stage prompt to be able to write a bunch of different articles. So basically, you're going to put, I want to execute the following steps. Step one. So you're telling ChatGPT to execute multiple steps, which is going to make it obviously execute and then write more than it really should. So generate 10 popular questions about, let's just say, monkeys as pets. Let's just see what happens. So this is going to take a while because it's ChatGPT-4. But look, it's going to go through this prompt list and it's actually going to write 1,000-word article. It's going to write how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10,000-word articles in just one prompt. If you're not using this and you're not using this to increase your SEO on your website, you're missing out. All right, if you like this type of content and you really found this informative, please like and subscribe, follow my channel for more awesome content like this. If I get enough likes, I will put all these prompts in a Google Doc and we'll share with everyone. So make sure that you are liking the video and I'll share these prompts with you. All right, everyone, have a good one.